Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Arnold the Dessert TV. Today's video I will show you how to piping split AC outdoor unit. See you guys. I will explain this is caravan. Insulation remove after I will focus one cell caravan. Need pressing. See? This pipe is damaged. This is we need to repair and make a bracing. Correct? Now cutting the two pipes and join the another new pipe and make a bracing. And now start flaring this tube pipe so that it will join to another pipe easily.
Flaring का छोटा पाइप जल्दी आओ. बारीक वाली छोटी वाली लेके आ जल्दी जाओ.
Join la senjata. Here we go. Good.
अरे इधर आ यार, पाइप बना के दो. ब्रेजिंग मार रहा हूँ यहाँ पर मैं. जल्दी आ इधर.
And now joining the pipe and start bracing. And now this is how to bracing the two pipes. Start the onion and use the flaring tools to open the edge of the pipe. Check the measurement of the pipe before you going to cut and flare this tube. Maiksi. Pero okay na yan. Ipakita mo nga sa ano. Buksan mo muna. Pagkatapos ipakita na sa video. Ang init kasi. Because this one you share your country you no share, you only watching. Last time you share because and this is the liquid pipe connection using the adjustable range to tight this onion. As you can see, there is white color in the groove of the pipe. That is what we call a teflon to prevent the leakage. And this is the proper tightening using the two adjustable rings. Gusto kasi yung mga tao, gustong-gusto kasi ito sa mga tao na tarba yung video mo, nag-focus sa ginagawa. And this is the suction pipe using also the pipe wrench tools to tight the onion. Yung tamang mga diskarte para hindi masisira yung mga pagkawak. Maano? Yung ano mo maluwag. And that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you learned something. Please do subscribe, like and share Arnold the Desert TV. Thank you.